Hello student, today I am here again with the chapter logarithm because it's a little bit big chapter and we have done different types of some more types of sum and important sums are left out. Today I will discuss it is from class 9 SEBA Advanced Math exercise 4.4 but number is okay exercise number is not important for everyone logarithm is there in different classes so you can learn the concept. So see the types of sum left. Number 10 is given. We have log x by b minus c, little bit important sums and not difficult. Log y by b c minus a is given is equal to log z by a minus b. We need to prove in number 1. In number 1, we need to prove x to the power b plus c into y to the power c plus a into z to the power a plus b equal to 1. This is number 1. Number 2 also I am writing here. Number 2 is given x to the power b square plus bc plus c square into y to the power c square plus ca plus a square into z to the power a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 1. Number 3 is also given. It is simple only. A to the power c minus a plus b into y to the power a minus b plus c into z to the power b minus c plus a is equal to 1. So start the solution. See, these three are equal, so we can take left log x by b minus c is equal to log y by c minus a is equal to log z by a minus b equal to k. These three are equal, no? So we can take it as k. Okay. So what will get? Log x equal to k into the minus c cross multiplication. Now see, we are doing common logarithm and common logarithm has base 10. So if nothing is given, still base is 10 in here. So when we move log, what we will get? X equal to 10 to the power this 10 to the power k into b minus c. Similarly, from second equation, what we will get? Y equal to k into this minus c. Then log 10 is given here, so directly you can write y equal to 10 to the power k into c minus c. Understood now? Almost same thing, you can mention the steps. But if you have understood, you can do directly also. And from third one, what we get? 10 to the power k into a minus b. Now for number 1, just take the left hand side. The left hand side of number 1 is x to the power b plus c into y to the power c plus a into z to the power a plus b. Put the value of x, y and z. For x, what will write? 10 to the power k into b minus c. This is for x. But power in b plus c is there, so b plus c will be there. Okay. Similarly, y value is 10 to the power k into c minus a. K into c minus a and c plus a was there. So c plus a was there. Okay. And z equal to 10 to the power k into a minus b. Sorry, 10 to the power k into a minus b and a plus b was there. Now simply log of indices. The base is same and into power will be added. So 10 over k this plus this. And see everywhere k is common. You can take common b minus c into b plus c to identity b square minus c square in same base and multiply power will be added and k already common, so plus c square minus a square plus a square minus b square. So we get k, sorry, this is how much will get 10 to the power k into 0 equal to 10 over 0 is equal to 1 and this is the right hand side. Understood? From this given expression we take k then log x, log y, log z will get. So if log x equal to this and base is 10 here because common logarithm, so 10, then remove the log or express in the exponential form, x will be equal to k to the power like that. Then take left hand side and replace the value of x what you have here and simplify will get. Okay. Then number 2 also. These are the for same only for 1, 2 and 3 also. So directly you can take the left hand side of number 2, which is x to the power b square plus bc plus c square, y to the power c square plus ca plus a square, z to the power a square plus ab plus b square. Put the value of x, y and z similarly. What is x equal to? 10 to the power k into b minus c, and before they are already there, so it will be into b square plus bc plus c square. Here y equal to 10 to the power k into c minus a into what is here before c square plus ca plus a square, and 10 to the power z value is k into a minus b, k into a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So again same base and multiply, the log of indices power will get shaded. When we add this plus this, k is common. You can take k common and you have the identity, no? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is another nice identity, q minus bq. What will we have? bq minus cq plus, what is identity here? cq minus aq plus, what is identity here? aq minus bq. Then it will become k to the power, sorry, 10 to the power k into 0, which is 10 to the power 0, which is 1, which is the right hand side. See, we need to put this equal to 1, so this is right hand side. Okay, that's simple in number 3, so you can do yourself. This is I left for the exercise. This portion is same for number 3 also, just only take the left hand side, replace the value of x, y, and z, you will get. So you should do yourself. Okay, now we will go to the next one. Skip 5 seconds, let me omit this. Okay, then go to number 11. 11 number 1. What is given? Log y to the base x is given 6. Okay. And log 8y to the base 14x is given 3. We need to find the value of x equal to question mark. Two conditions are given. So from first condition, what we will get? Remove the log, convert to exponential form, with y equal to x to the power 6. And from here, what we will get? When you express in exponential form, these two interchange, no? 14x whole cube equal to 8y. Understood? So continue from here. This is 14x whole cube equal to 8. And what is y equal to? See from 1, x to the power 6. You can write here using 1. Okay? So this is 14x whole to the power 3 equal to, this can be written 2x square whole to the power 3. This is our 3x square. Now see, log of indices. If the exponent is same, then under certain condition base will be same. So what we will get? Twice x square equal to 14x. So twice x square minus 14x equal to 0. Then twice x is common, then we will get x minus 7 equal to 0. From we will get x equal to 0 and x equal to 7, but x must not be equal to 0. Base of logarithm cannot be 0. So actually what we will get? X equal to 7. Understood? Okay, next one. Number 2 also. Similar sum. Still, let me tell you. What is given? Log b to the base a equal to 6. Second condition is given log 27 b to the base 6a is equal to 3. We need to find a. Okay. Similar sum. Express in exponential form, what we get? b equal to a to the power 6. Let it be question 1. Express in exponential form, what we will get? 6a whole to the power 3 equal to 27b. 6a whole to the power 3. Again, replace the value of b from 1. For b, what we can write? A to the power 6. A to the power 6. So this is 6a whole to the power 3 equal to what you will write? 3a square whole to the power 3. Is it clear? 3 to the power 3 is 27. A 2 to the 6. 2 3 is 6. Okay. Now, laws of indices, the exponent is same, then base will be same under certain conditions. So we can write 3a square equal to 6a, or 3a square minus 6a equal to 0. Imply 3a is common. Here also you can simplify, but meaning is same only. We will get a equal to 0 and a equal to 2. Again, a equal to 0 is not possible because base becomes 0. So you write since a is not equal to 0, therefore a equal to 2 only one value. Okay, you would like to explain me the number 3 also? Not difficult, but okay. Number 3. Number 3. What is given? 5 log a to the base 10 plus log b to the base 10 is equal to 2. We need to show something. Okay. So you see 5 will come here. Log a to the power 5 to the base 10 plus log b to the base 10 is equal to 2. For plus, what we write? Into. Plus, for plus we will write into the, what we will write? Log a pi b to the base 10. For plus into this is equal to 2. How much will get? A pi b equal to, remove log into student for 10 to the power 2. This is a pi into b equal to 100. What is b equal to? 100 by a to the power 5. So imply b equal to what? We get 100 into a to the power minus 5. When we do reciprocal, the sign will change. And this only we need to show. Okay? Understood? Now we go to number 12. Number 12 is solved. So number 1, 12 number 1. Log x to the base 2 plus log x plus 6 to the base 2 is equal to, solve means we need to find the value of x. This is a simple one mark sum. For plus, what you write? Into, so it will be log x into x plus 6 to the base 2 equal to 4. Convert to the exponential form, what will get? X into x plus 6 equal to 2 to the power 4. So x square plus 6x equal to 16. So x square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. You need to solve it. First factorize x square minus 8x minus 2x minus 16 equal to 8 to the 16. 8 minus 2 6. So x common x plus 8 minus 2 common x plus 8 equal to 0. So what we get? X plus 8 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 8, x equal to 2. X equal to minus 8 will not be applicable here because the term is not defined for negative numbers, so we will get x equal to 2. Okay. Now next sum. 2 number is simple only. So can be 2 number 3 important sum. Number 3, what is given? Log x to the base 3 plus log x to the base 9 plus log x to the base 27 equal to 55 by 10. Now see here, this is log x to the base 3 plus log x. What to write? 3, 9 equal to 3 square. And here 27 equal to 3 cube. 55 by 10. So this is log x to the base 3. You know this is power 1 here. 1 by 2 we can write here. Log x to the base 3. This formula, log a to the power m to the base b to the power n can be written as m by n log a to the base b. So 1 by 2, here similarly 1 by 3 log x to the base 3 equal to how much we are getting? 55 by 10. If log x to the base 3 is common, you can take log x to the base 3 common 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 55 by 10 will get. Now, here log x to the base 3 simplify here. How much will get? What is LCM? 2, 3, 6. So 6, 1 is 6 plus 2, 3 is plus 3, 2 is we get no 55 by 10. So log x to the base 3 into how much here? 11 by 6 is equal to 55 by 10. Here we can convert to the lowest term, no? In the last also calculation. What is log x to the base 3 equal to 55 by 6 into 55 by 10 into 6 by 11. Then convert to the multiply will become here divide and multiply. Okay, 11 5 then 3 and 2 3 2 5 5 5 cancel. So I am getting log x to the base 3 equal to 3. Then what is x equal to? 3 over 3 will be 27. Okay, understood? Okay, more sums are here. Some important sums are also here. Would you like to 4 number? Log 3 to the base x, almost similar, log 9 to the base x plus log 729 to the base x is equal to 9. We need to find x. So this is also log 3 to the base x plus what will be here? Can we write 9 equal to 3 square to the base x? Can we line like this? 3 to the power how much? 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 3 are 81, 3 are 243, 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 3 are 81, 81 into 3, 243 into 3, 729. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, is equal to 9. So this is log 3 to the base x plus 2 log 3 to the base x plus 6 log 3 to the base x equal to 9. See very clearly log 3 to the base x is common. What are we getting here? 1 plus 2 plus 6 equal to 9. So log 3 to the base x into 9 is equal to 9. So what is 3 to the base x equal to 1? So x equal to 3. X become 1 equal to 3, no? So this is the answer. Remaining sums are easy, you can do yourself. So can we go to number 13, important sum? Number 13. What is given? A to the power L equal to B to the power M equal to C to the power N equal to D to the power P. This is given, so let this equal to K, laws of indices. What is A equal to? What is K means? K to the power 1. When we find A from these two relations, what do we get? A equal to K to the power 1 by N. B equal to K to the power 1 by M. C equal to k to the power 1 by n, and obviously d equal to k to the power 1 by p. Now we need to show something. So what is the left hand side? So we can take left hand side, which is log BCD to the base a. This is left hand side. Just replace the value of a, b, c, d from the condition we have got here. B equal to what? K to the power 1 by m, c equal to k to the power 1 by n, d equal to k to the power 1 by p, and a equal to k to the power 1 by l. Little bit looks complex. So see, the base is same, and into the power we get it k to the power 1 by m plus 1 by n plus 1 by p, and here base is what? K to the power 1 by n. Again this formula, see, log a to the power m to the base b to the power n can be written as m by n log a to the base b. That's here, same thing now. So this by this, what will be here? 1 by m plus 1 by n plus 1 by p by this 1 by l into what? K to the base k. So this is equal to c, and it will go, the reciprocal will do the L into 1 by m plus 1 by n plus 1 by p. So this is k, no? Into 1. This is what? Into 1. So this is only, and this is only RHS. Now take the base k is 1. So into 1 to this only, no? You have taken left hand side, this is the right hand side. Okay, understood? Try to understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me when the number is given on the WhatsApp also, and in comment also. Any suggestion, you can subscribe, you will get the notification if you like and subscribe. But 14 is very important sum. In number 14 we need to prove that number 1, 2 by 5 is less than log 3 to the base 10 is less than 1 by 2. Try to understand it. This will be logical, but very important sum. Let's start now. See, I will see this and this. Okay. See, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 2 is less than 3 to the power 5. Here we get the idea. 10 to the power 2, 3 to the power 5. So take the log both sides with the base 10. So log 10 to the power 2 to the base 10 is less than log 3 to the power 5 to the base 10. Okay. You are taking log on both sides with same base. You will take always log both sides with the same base. So this will come here. 2 log 10 to the base 10 is less than 5 log 3 to the base 10. Formula. Obviously, 10 to the base 10 is 1, so 2 into 1, 2 less than 5 into log 3 to the base 10. So 2 by 5 is less than log 3 to the base 10. This is equation 1. So you see that this portion. What will I? Since 3 to the power 2 is less than 10 to the power 1. 3 to the power 2 is less than 10 to the power 9 is always less than 10. Now take log on both sides with the base 10. So log 3 to the power 2 to the base 10 is less than log 10 to the base 10. This is 10 only, no? 2 will come here. 2 log 3 to the base 10 is less than 1. So log 3 to the base 10 is less than 1 by 2. 2 come this side, so equation 2. Now compare 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, what will it? This is greater than this. Log 3 by 10 is greater than, this is greater than 2 by 5. And log 3 to the base 10 is only less than 1 by 2. And this only we need to prove, okay? To hence solve or prove what you can write. Understood? Other sums are similar only, but you want I can give you one more sum, last sum. Okay. It will give you the idea, perfect idea, almost similar. So number 2 is given. Prove that 1 by 4 is less than log 2 to the base 10 is less than 1 by 3, almost same only. It will give you practice. So start the solution. Since, how will you start? 2 to the power 4 is greater than 10 to the power 1, that is 10. Same thing, log 10 base is given, so we will take log on both sides with the base 10. So log 2 to the power 4 to the base 10 is greater than log 10 to the base 10. 4 will come this side. 4 log 2 to the base 10 is greater than 1, because 1 is this one. So what will get? Log 2 to the base 10 is greater than 1 by 4. Let it be equation 1. Now from this portion we will, what will take? Since 2 to the power 3 is less than 10 to the power 1. Okay. Again you will take a log both sides with the same base according to the given in the question. So log 2 to the power 3 to the base 10 is log 10 to the base 10. So obviously 3 will come here. 3 log 2 to the base 10 is less than 1. Then what you will get? Log 2 to the base 10 is less than 1 by 3 equation 2. Compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what you will get? This one, log 2 to the base 10 is greater than what? 1 by 4. And this one is less than 1 by 3. These are very important sum. One more sum is there, I left it for your exercise. So almost every type of sum required for class 9 advanced method algorithm I tried to explain you. If you have anything doubt, any clearance required, so here you can contact me on the number, on the WhatsApp number, on the comment. I will try to provide a suggestion. You can contact me also. Number also is given in the channel. So that's all for today. We will see you next class. I will explain you in detail. Bye bye.